Well, good morning, everyone. Today is May 18th, the first day of the season of Adventureland 50th anniversary. That's a pretty cool sign. Wow. They have all their advertisement, reimagine of the underground. That's going to be so cool. Can't wait to check that out. I don't know what they're doing. It's testing or something. It's been up there like, I don't know, about 10 minutes, I think. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how much it is to get in the parking, and plus for a day ticket, I think. Yeah, that's how much it is. There, you guys can check out the prices. I have a platinum pass, so I can go in there for parking for free. So we're here. Wow. I guess it's band day. Boy, wow, tickets and passes are pretty busy right now. Well, it looks like these are old, so I have to renew them. Well, this is where you gotta go to get to renew your passes. Pretty crowded. But I don't know how many bands are gonna be here today. A lot of bands. High school bands. Not sure if it's a contest or something. Almost there. Alright, going to booth 4. Okay, that was kind of crazy. Went in the booth and it said my season pass for this year was expired. So the only way to do that is you have to renew it. So for those who have season passes, should come to the booth right over there that's behind me and get it renewed. Okay, I'm finally in. Wow. I think mostly it's my fault because I should have come here a little earlier just so I can renew my pass. But as far as for work goes, it's hard to get here. Well, it doesn't seem like it's crowded inside, but there's a lot of people spread out throughout the park. All right, Penny Arcade, let's check out. Oh, they moved some stuff around. What, there's less games now? Oh, hi. Yeah, they changed it quite a bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, here it is. Keymaster. Oh yeah, they moved some stuff around. Looks cool though. It makes it more roomier. This year's prizes. Oh, this is new. It goes all the way up to 2001. Or no. Up to 2020. Oh, Silly Silo. That's cool. They kind of refurbish that, put that on the side. Even though we don't have that anymore. This is really cool. Back in the day, we had a Skyliner. So they made it as a chair. Or kind of a picnic table kind of thing. There's some pictures what it used to look like. That was back in the day. Well, the Shaken Bacon is there now. That's cool. Even they have a beer station that you can go there too. I like the changes. That's pretty cool. Especially that beer station right over there too. That's gonna be great with all these concerts that's going on. They can just go right over there. There's a sign for Oinks. You get pork chop on a stick. Breaded pork tenderloin. Should try that out. I'll try that out pretty much later on. I'm glad that's open. I might have to take advantage of this. Oh, cool. The new Falling Star Lounge. I think this is opened up for everyone. Cool. I'm glad they kept the sign. That's so cool. All right, that's new. 20-minute wait time. Oh, that's cool. Wow, the new entrance for the underground. That's really cool. Estimated time to ride is like 30 minutes. But you can pay for a speedy pass. They still have the artificial lights and artificial fog in use. That's cool. That ride's been here since, well, actually the park opened in 1974. If you see way in the background, that's their older roller coaster where the Phoenix is at right now. Up, all the catfish. Oh, they'll eat anything. Wow. So many of them. I think they're going to turn that into like a shaded rest area, which will probably be a good idea. This is the guy who says, tornado! That was awesome. That was really awesome. The famous Outlaw. Even they got some new signage. Yeah, don't take your phone on here. That's cool. I think they needed one for quite a while. Well, the ride's 5 minutes. Wow, since 1993 to 2001. I'm so glad they're doing this. I don't think anybody gets wet on this. We're gonna soon find out. Probably a little bit. My favorite ride is not running right now. Neither is that one, but I don't ride that one. You gotta fix something. Oh, they're about to start. There we go. Yep. No. If you haven't seen this show, you should, because it's cool. I like magic. It's a bit of a dying art now. But if you come and see the magic show, then the dying art is not so dying anymore. It all started with that. Look at the pig gold. It was all black. That's awesome. Red carpet? Oh, you can get your season passes here. Okay, we're gonna check out here, find out what they have new. Ooh, it's air conditioned.